Hi everyone, my name is Elaine Nsoesie. I'm going to talk to you about data science Africa. So I came here expecting that we were going to talk for 3-4 minutes, but I'm told we have 5 minutes, so I'm going to tell you a story. Um, so in 2018, I was having a one-third life crisis, and I was trying to figure out whether I wanted to stay in academia or not. I traveled to Africa, visited several different countries, ended up in Nairobi, Kenya, where I met a group of researchers who were working at IBM Kenya at the time. They were looking at how to use data science methods to address healthcare problems in Africa. When I came back, a few months later, I got an email from one of them that said, there's this meeting happening in Abuja, Nigeria, that I think you should go to. I think you're gonna like it. So I emailed the people. The meeting was called Data Science Africa. I emailed the organizers and said, I've been told to come to this meeting. How do I get here? And they said, well, we're putting together speakers for the program. We need someone to come and teach. And we have a few topics that have not yet been assigned. Can you teach one of them? And I looked at the list. There were 2 courses that were left. One of them was data visualization. The other one was something on probability theory. And I said, well, I'm going to do the easier one. I'm going to teach data visualization. I'd never taught data visualization before. So I sat down and I came up with slides, put together what I thought was good enough tutorial to teach, and I paired up with someone that was actually at the United Nations Global Pulse Lab in Kampala. And so she was going to do most of the tutorial, and I was going to go through the slides. And I went to the meeting, gave my presentation, and it was unlike any other conference I'd ever attended. Like, the experience was very different. That I kept going, and I've been going ever since. Just from the community of people that were present, but also how it was organized. So you had teachers who were like full-time professors at Cambridge, teaching alongside people who would come to Data Science Africa once and learn something, and then came back the next year and decided to teach about it. So Data Science Africa is a grassroots organization that was founded by Africans and Africanists. Every year we have a meeting. It's a 5-day event, 3-day summer school and 2-day of workshop. The summer school is quite intense, and they focus on data science theory. So we cover everything from introduction to machine learning to advanced AI methods. And the 2-day summer school, the 2-day workshop involves presentations of research that's being done in Africa using data science methods. We collaborate with local institutions, and what that means is that someone invites us to come to the institution. So if someone wants to host Data Science Africa, they have to attend Data Science Africa at least once, so they get the experience of the event, and then they can say, hey, come to the institution, and we will co-host with you. So we've had these events we've had 11 events so far in 8 different countries, as you can see on the map. The most recent one was in Kigali in Rwanda. It was amazing. I highly recommend Kigali if you want to visit somewhere in Africa. We have participants coming from all over Africa. So when we have the events, we really emphasize having people come from within the country or countries around wherever we're hosting the event, because it's cheaper for us. We try to cover transportation, we cover lodging, we cover food. So the participants only come and they focus on the event, focus on learning, focus on building relationships and community. The next gathering is going to be in Nyeri, Kenya, and that's in the first week of June of this year, and I'm co-organizing that one. So in addition to the event that we have every year, we have a lot of other things that happen throughout the year. One of them is a DSC Visiting Fellowship, where we pair a senior researcher and a junior researcher, and they get to work together. We have DSC Research Grants, and so we get funding from foundations, we get funding from industry, and then we take that money and give to researchers across the continent to work on different projects. We also have local chapters, so people who are really excited and want to have a community wherever they are based in Africa, they can do that. You can learn more about Data Science Africa on our website. Thank you.